There are about 2 weeks to go before the big event. The U.S. Army Garrison Japan Directorate of Public Works team is out checking on the cherry trees and doing some maintenance.
Cherry blossoms are just a wonderful part of the tradition and customs in Japan. It's really important for us to host this Cherry Blossom Festival so we can share a part of our community with our communities outside the gate.
Cherry blossom trees in Japan are in full bloom for only a few days, so this year Camp Zama looked at the weather forecast data to determine the perfect day for their event. They decided to move the date to 1 week earlier.
And it's turned out to be a great day. We have great cherry blossoms.
And it worked out perfectly.
Lots of kids and families, and that's what it's all about.
Thousands of people came from on and off the installation to enjoy the 2019 Cherry Blossom Festival.
Sitting around, having some good food, listening to some good music, enjoying the sights and sounds of the post. Hope everyone really enjoys themselves.
Earlier in the day, hundreds of runners from children to adults participated in a 3K walk and 5K run.
I got to participate in the run for the first time. It was a good opportunity for me to do some exercise while also getting to view the cherry blossoms. And I got to see a military helicopter display as well. It was a great experience to be able to see something that I don't normally get to see.
We're very busy over here at the static display. I think the open post event is a great idea. You have people coming in, seeing what we have here, having it's friendship and partnership.
They don't get a chance to access the installation. So for them to be able to come in here, and I know you got the MPs and different people in uniform, so they get to interact with them, and I think that's an important part.
Special Events Coordinator Randy Benton says that chance to see and experience U.S. military culture is what makes Camp Zama's Cherry Blossom Festival unique compared to others outside the installation.
I'm so glad that I made the choice to come here today. Some of the old cherry trees here are magnificent.
I've been in Japan for a very long time. I still get amazed at the beauty of them, because no matter how you're feeling, once you look up at the cherry blossoms and see them blooming, it makes everything okay, even if it's just for that moment.
Reporting for U.S. Army Garrison Japan, I'm Aya Watsuji.